to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today's video going to be an Instagram fan picks my makeup challenge. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. But before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your all friends. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I am using Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, which you all pick for me, and this product get 90% vote. So I will apply this moisturizer all over my face and gently massage it. For primer, I am using Blue Heaven primer, and this product get 56% vote. It is silicone based primer and blends easily on your face without any greasiness. For foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this product get 82% vote. I will give all the product details and shade number in my description box, so check this out. So I will apply the foundation all over my face, neck and ear and blend it nicely with damp beauty blender. For concealer, I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this product gets 73% vote. I will apply it underneath my eye, bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid bow, chin where I need to highlight, and also below hollow of my cheek. I will use same concealer as eye primer in my eyelid, and now blend all nicely with the help of beauty blender. For contour, I am using Cream Contour as it gets 64% vote. So I am using ADS Ultimate Palette, and I will take these two colors to contour my face. I will apply it in hollow of my cheek, forehead, temple, jawline, nose, and below my lips. Now I will blend all nicely. For powder, I am using Lakme Whitening Rose Powder, and this product get 55% vote. I will apply it wherever I use concealer to bake my face and set the concealer so that it doesn't crease out. For eyeshadow, I am using Sivanna palette and this product gets 67% vote. So first I will dust off powder from eyelid. So first I will take this nude muddy color and apply it all over my crease as a transition shade. Now I will take this light brown shade and apply it just below crease line where I placed that nude shade. Now I am taking this black color and apply it in my outer V. Now blend both the color with a blending brush so that there should be no harsh line. Now I am taking this blue shimmery shade and apply it in middle of my eyelid in both eyes. Now blend both the color nicely. Now I am taking golden shade and apply it in my inner V. Now blend both the shade nicely. I will apply concealer to define my eye look so that it looks seamless and clean. Now blend it with the help of brush. For eye look, I am using Stay Quirky eyeliner and you guys voted 90% for winged eyeliner look. So I am creating winged eyeliner in both my eyes. Now I will dust off excess powder from my face which I used for baking. For eyebrow, I am using Miss Clear eyebrow pencil, so I have done my eyebrow off camera. For Kajal, I am using Lotus Colorkick Kajal and this product gets 78% vote, so I am applying it in my lower eyelid and tagline my upper eyelid also. Now smudge it with a brush by using same brown and black color. For bronze my face, I am using Sivanna Bronze Professional Kit and apply it wherever I used cream contour earlier because I have oily skin, so I use powder bronzer to set the contour. For blush, I am using Maybelline Color Show Blush and apply it over apple of my cheek. For highlighting also, I am using same Sivanna Bronze Kit and take this highlighting shade to highlight my cheekbone. Bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, cupid bow, chin and little bit over my forehead. Now I will take same highlighter to highlight my inner corner of the eye and below my eyebrow. For lips, I am using Stay Quirky liquid lipstick and you guys voted 78% for bold lips, so I am using dark red color. For setting my makeup, I am using Incolor Master Fix and this product gets 67% vote, so I will spray it all over my face and let it dry and press it with the help of beauty blender. for mascara, I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational, and this product gets 63% vote. So I will apply it nicely all over my lashes. So yeah, that's all. This is my finished look. So hope you really enjoy watching this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.